Hey guys, welcome back to cryptoTV. This is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We will be looking at few technical indicators to see what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly start it with the Bitcoin first. And if you look at the current market price, which is at 39,600, so yes, we can see again here, like in the previous, or you can say in the past few videos, we have talked about this thing, that the price is actually trading at around the 40,000 levels. So sometimes it's trading slightly below than that, and sometimes it's trading slightly higher than that. If you talk about the overall trend, yes, negative trend is there, because again the price is trading in a very tight range of 37,600 and the 41,200. So that's the range. Every time the price reaching to the 37,600 level, we have seen an upside momentum, and the moment price reaches to the resistance level, we have seen a fall from there. So that is why no much momentum is there. If you compare from the last day's price, you can see that price is actually giving you a fall of around 1% or slightly more than 1%. And if you look at the RSI, which is currently trading at 44, also if you look at the moving averages, so 50 EMA is at 41,392, 100 EMA is at 42,417, and 200 EMA is at 43,940. Now looking at the support and resistance levels, since the price is trading in that range only, so there is no change in that. Support 1 is at 37,613, support 2 is at 35,335, resistance 1 is at 41,211, and resistance 2 is at 45,332. So let's quickly move on to the chart of Bitcoin. Okay, now if you look at here, we have used the two moving averages, 100 and 200. So this blue one is the 100 and the red one is the 200, and yesterday the price was up by around 1%, and today it is like you can see a fall of around 1.5%. and again you can see the more price activity going on by the end of the day, because as of now there is very less volumes are have traded. So let's just wait for the closing and we might able to see more clarity on the price. So as of now you can see that very nicely the price is trading in this range only. So even on 26th, when the price was fell by it was around down by 6%, so the price actually took a very nice support on this level, on the 37,600 level, and from there closes slightly higher than that. So again it is like very clear that the price is taking up a 37,000 support and 41,200 as the resistance. And again if you talk about the 41,200, so price is actually, you can see, trading very near to the 40,000 level. So yes, the resistance is at 41,200, but price is actually trading at around 40,000 levels. And if you talk about the Ethereum, so for Ethereum we can see the same situation. Currently it is trading at 2,900. Again the 3,000 level of psychological level for Ethereum is very important, and the price is actually hovering around that level only. Look at the overview. The overall view is again negative. RSI is at 44. Now if you look at the 50 EMA, which is at 3,028, and 100 EMA is at 3,081, and 200 EMA is at 3,140. There is no change in the support and resistance levels. Support 1 is at 2,855. Support 2 is at 2,581. Resistance 1 is at 3,361, and resistance 2 is at 3,627. Let's see the chart of Ethereum. Right, so one thing which I can see from the chart of Ethereum is that if you look at this trend line, so the price in case of the Bitcoin, the price is trading very below than the trend line. So there is no such the point or the thing that we need to discuss there. But yes, here in case of Ethereum, we should discuss this thing here because of the two things. One, the price is very nicely very near to this particular trend line. Also it's very near to this particular support level. So if you look at yesterday's candle, however, it was up by slightly more than by 1%. But if you look at the high price, so the high was actually at this particular trend line. So the high was 2981, and if you just look at here, the price actually tested this particular trend line, but somehow closes below than that. So again, there was a buying, but that buying was not sufficient enough, and that the closing didn't happen higher than the trend line. So again, that's the reason that the price is falling today. And if the buyers need to be there, if there will be an aggressive buyer, so they should definitely close above than this particular trend line, because the price is very nicely holding up this support level. But for a confirmation, at least one indication that comes from the chart is the price should at least closes below higher than this particular trend line. And then we will talk about the moving averages and all the other things. But as of now, the price is trading below than all the important levels, whether it is moving average, trend line, or the important resistance level as well. So this is how you can look at the Ethereum. And yes, the price is somewhat falling, but it's stabilizing at around 2855 levels. So this is what you can just look at the chart, and this is how we basically conduct the session for these two currencies. And I hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for watching us.